Welcome back to our channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, your time. Thank you guys for your continued support. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't, turn on the bell for more video. Welcome our new members to the old ones. God bless. If you're passing by, please join us as you're supporting us. May the Lord support you in everything you lay your hands. Amen. To the news and details. Guys, please do us a favor by hitting that red button that says subscribe and the bell that says all. You get to know when we upload new video. I urge everybody to watch this video. The truths are before you. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. The credit goes to Ruth. Please watch.
Make them do that kind of thing. My brother, I tell you, say the thing where Nigeria don't get into, I think it's even worse than Afghanistan. As far as me, I can talk now. The thing where they happen here, we never believe that will come happen in Nigeria. Today, with the Siam, they happen. Government, as we take oath for office, is to provide for security of lives and property. Because, you know, if there is no security, then nothing will fit happen. Because if everybody, they scatter, they run all over the place, you no go fit do anything. Whether you be farmer, whether you dey for civil service, whether you dey do private business, you no go fit sabi do anything if there is no security. Because if, as they talk, bandits go come kill you, come kill your people, can't kill your community, you cannot, you know, if it concentrate, say, you they do anything way God give you, they do for this life. So it is the problem don't be very big. The thing where they happen, the thing they say, before we they hear say, this thing they happen in Afghanistan, it they happen for what do you call it in other countries where we get terrorists. The thing don't enter here. I don't enter. And it be like say the government where they on top, they also be part of the thing where they happen to us because they know they talk. And I keep saying, say look, if government show say he get power to stop Igboho and stop Nnamdi Kanu, why government no get power to stop bandits where they say they kill us here? They call them say unknown government. But me from Benue State, I know na Fulani people they come kill us. And our current leaders wey dey for Aso Rock for presidency, they get hand into it. In fact, not be me talk am. Even the Fulani bandits, they know they like me, they call them, say they be Fulani, they should just be calling them bandits. But they are Fulani people, and they don't come and go and talk, say, look, now this government bring them in 2015, say make them come help them do election. After election, they don't abandon them. So they look for money where they go chop and continue with their life. So the thing not be saying that the thing where anybody go hide, say he know they see. They are part of it. This government never come out to deny, say, na lie. We no do that kind of a thing. So the problem be say, now this government bring the people, and the people don't accuse them, and they don't begin say anything to counter the thing where these people don't talk. So we get problem for Nigeria, and as long as our people keep quiet, I tell you, say, na problem we dey get. One day they say this unknown government will be Fulani bandits. They go come take over villa. They go come take over government house. They go come take over every place. And they go begin to do the thing where they want to do. Honestly, the security problem where we get in our country today, if government do not stand up to catch the problem, we don't enter a failed country with that. Okay. And that is where we are. No. The thing where I've been talk, it been very clear. Because me, I believe in Nigeria. And that is why even the cap where they wear here, where everybody, they see me everywhere, Nigerian colors they here. I believe say make Nigeria be together. And the thing will go help us be together, be say our people must obey the law. We must have respect for our constitution, because that is the only thing that can bind us. And for me as governor, I took oath of office, and now the thing where they guard me be that. So even when I say they should defend themselves, what I meant and what I have told them and what then they do as I talk to you now is to ensure that they use the weapon way Constitution don't allow us to do. For instance, nobody stop you from making the carry cutlass they walk about. If anything happen, you know how to do. Nobody stop you from using spear. If anybody attack you, you go fit also defend yourself. Nobody stop you from using the thing what they call dengon. Dengon is a weapon, but you can use it. But as far as I'm concerned, we're using the conventional security. But the problem, they say they know they enough. Then they try, but the problem, they know plenty. Reach how they go handle the problem where we get for this state and all that. So I say make them get bow and arrow, not be offense for our constitution. But AK-47, AK-49, and machine gun and all those ones are things. But the thing where they ask, they say iPod, they were using pump action. They go catch them. Those one too, government no say make them do them, but they go catch them. But why is the thing they say Fulani men they use AK-47, they use AK-49, they use machine gun, they use explosives, and they no fit catch them. Then see allow them. Then they go kidnap our children. Then they go kidnap our people. Then they go do all kind of atrocity. But they leave them. I don't talk to Mr. President say make he declare these people as he did to iPod. Say they be terrorists. The man no agree do. So this is the problem, and this is why we are saying the country no dey equal as it's supposed to be, because even the president, the same oath of office wey me I take, president too. He carried the same oath of office, say he go defend all Nigerian people. But the thing where president they do now, he they defend only Fulani people. You know they defend Igbo, no Yoruba, no Tima, no Idoma, no Igede. They are just killing us. As I talk to you, they continue to kill us. And president know where these people dey. They go say they are unknown government. One day there will be unknown president, an unknown governor, unknown minister, unknown this. This is where the country they go. We are fast becoming the republic where na banana, na him they rule us. Nothing is going on. Na me talk am first. Na me talk am first. You know hear Obasanjo. You know hear am. Even Sultan of Sokoto will be Fulani man. He say, look, every 7 or 8 so-called bandits where they call, the people they carry gun go kill people and kidnap people. He says 7 or 8 of them na Fulani people. Na me talk am first. You know hear the thing where Commodore Kunle say some few days ago. No, not be me first talk am now. That is what is happening. This president and Fulani people don't talk, say, look, they want they won't carry this country, make it become their own. Make them call and say, they Fulani too. Now then get Nigeria. Which proof you want men to prove again now? When Mr. President know they talk about why you know make Fulani ban Fulani people, or brand them, say they be terrorists, but he can brand iPod, say they be terrorists. He can stop Igboho from the southwest. Why he not do the same thing where they do? Now my evidence be that the president is part of the thing. They do the thing. He sabi the thing. Why president they only give appointment to Fulani people? T people no go education, no get qualification. Other people no get this thing. Hausa people, some people will be prominent Hausa. They don't tell me, say, look, my brother, this is way they do. You're fighting for us too, because in 1800 these people came and they come carry our country. Now we don't become slaves. So and whatever they do, there's nothing there like Hausa Fulani in Nigeria, because they don't carry or we don't become their slaves. Now him they talk like that. So president is ability way they do. He don't come to execute the thing way Ottoman Danfodio want to do in 1800. But honestly, I tell you, there are good Fulani men, like I say, Sultan of Sokoto, and some people will get sense and they want to make this country be together. They are saying the truth. They are working the truth. But this president, no one make that thing happen. When I talk now, they will come to blackmail me and say they intimidate me. You hear say Chame way for a long time I no talk there. But that day they just call me and I him I go talk. Now him they go catch them, say they go deal with them. Haba, what did they go invite them to do? When Gumi talk, did they invite him? When other people will talk, did they invite them? How can they say that me, I talk? Commander Kunle talk, they go invite them to make all these things. So it is the thing don't they clear say this government, it no mean well for this country. Which concrete evidence you want again now? I don't tell you, go and check federal character. The appointment where this president they give. Okay. Not be more than 70% will be Fulani people. And those people where they talk say they be their slaves. If you accept to be their slave, even me, if I accept that I will be their slave, they will give me appointment. They give my people appointment. Okay. That is the thing when they do be that. But I keep saying, look, this is not the first time where we don't have a Fulani president. We have Shehu Shagari, great man. We don't do well for this country. Everybody is considered as Naim Getam for this country, and he worked with us very well. But if you check again, Yaradua came. Now Yaradua bring peace for Niger Delta now. And the thing work now. And you remember in 2012 or so, 2013 or thereabout, when my government, I've been minister at that time now, and we say we're going to negotiate with we don't tell Goodluck, say, make it try and negotiate with Boko Haram. When we call them to negotiate, they say no, na Buhari will be their coordinator. That time Buhari never be president. And I don't talk you, there is organization here, they call them Meyati Allah. Meyati Allah, now them they do terrorism, now them they sponsor, now them they get money from government. Their chairman, now police they guide them. For this Abuja, or they Abuja here. And they don't take responsibility, say, now they kill people in Benue State. Now they kill people in other parts of the country. And nobody they talk about them. I don't write personally to president saying, make it arrest these people. Question them that the thing what they do no good. Maybe as they catch them, prosecute them. Everybody go also fear. They no feed them. Another one they say Funam, Fulani Nationality Movement. Now them attempted to assassinate me. They wanted to kill me. Now only God helped me that day. I tell you. Now only God helped me. And I can't come out. I've been 60 years. I run for 1.5 kilometers. People, they wonder, but I sabi keep myself fit. I'm a farmer. So I work inside my farm very well and I know what to do. And these people say Nigeria, now the only country where belongs to them. They don't write them. I have documents to show this. I don't send them to president. I don't send them to police. I don't send them to DSS. These people say, look, nothing will stop them because they wanted this revolution in 1800 and they could not achieve it by Ottoman Danfodio. But now they must take over. That they have the money, they have the power, they have the weapons, and they have everything. So this time they must take over. And they promise that we in Benue State, then go kill us, then go rape our women, then go deal with us, then go finish us because they have all the power. Because they must, then go take over this country, now their own country, where Allah don't give them. And so all these things, the presidency, they have this thing where they talk, and it's in writing, I don't give them. When the time where they say they will kill me, then go hold meeting for Yola. 14 countries, Fulani people came together and said that Otom is the only one disturbing them, so they must kill him. So I'm on their danger list. They came to kill me. They could not do it. I was at, they come attack me around 11 a.m. By 4 p.m., this Fulani nationality movement say, look, Otom will come after you. Now, because we don't make small mistake, that is why we don't feel kill you that day. But we're coming to kill you. The press handler or Mr. President, the man a lie they talk now. I think that him they forgive him name saying a lie Muhammad. Make it a lie, waka anyhow. Because the thing they say everything we talk there, he no get ground. It they barefooted. It has no nothing to hold. Say you go say you don't get substance. That man say I don't come out for waka come out from one party and enter another one and enter another one. But how about the president himself? President, I know him. He enter AMPP. President come out there, go join another party, CPC. He go join another party and then AMPP, another party. But now 4 parties where president enter, where he can't stay for APC now. No. So how you go say you go call Ketu that is black? Eh? How what do you put it? Then go say Chako go call Ketu say they black. How can you think about that? You not see the thing where the man talk. He say Ebonyi they don't give him 6 billion. The governor there don't deny say he don't get any 6 billion. So that man, I suspect say he dey on something where we no sabi. That is why they talk anyhow. Because the man don't get anything to talk about what I said. I say make them come address the thing where I talk for channel television. They know if you talk them. Now to go look for all those excuses they talk anyhow. The policy where I don't do now global best practice. Now the thing where they do everywhere. As I talk to you, look all this cattle where they cause deceive people to take their land. When they say na cattle, they won't do open grazing. All the cattle in Nigeria, they are less than 20 million. But in India, there are over 300 million cattle, but then they ranch them. In Brazil, over 260 million. They do ranching. In America, over 100 million. Then they ranch them. In what do you call it? In Argentina, over 100 million. In China, over 100 million. Then they ranch the thing, and no problem. You don't hear say people they fight, they call names, say na farmer and header. It's all lies. There is no problem like that. They won't take over the land. The people where they can't kill us for Benue State today, not be say that they bring cattle again. No. Now militia na AK-47 be their cattle. Now him they carry, come they kill us and see they deceive us here. So look, I tell you, my brother, all these things not the true thing. Make a federal government make it stop this Fulanization agenda. Now the same thing that happened for Plateau State. Now the same thing that happened for Kaduna. The same thing that happened for Zamfara, because now Hausa people, they original owners of that land. The same thing now they happen for Katsina. Now Hausa people, they there. Now Fulani wants to take over. And this presidency, now they support them. Make them do that kind of thing. Because I think he don't enter into agreement with them, say, as he become president, he go help them, make them achieve the thing. Because everywhere, go to Ghana now, Central African Republic, other parts of Africa, they don't drive Fulani come out, so they say they must take over Nigeria. So it's the same thing. The thing where Fulani nationality movement don't talk, and they there for press, say they will take over this country. Now him they do them, and by force they go do them. Now the thing where some of us say we no go agree with that, and that is where we did.
Plateau story must be told, and we must tell our story.
The thing they say, you know, I know if you talk about my counterpart, because we don't get our different this thing where they happen for our state. So I know if you go talk about Plateau, I can talk about Benue. I go talk about Benue, but Plateau, because himself now the people can't give a mandate now. Me they give me for Benue, me I no agree. So now him know the thing where he go do. But when the thing happen, when they say they keep people there, I will call them sympathize with him, say make this kind of thing. And my prayer there with them, make this kind of thing no continue again. And the way the thing they happen there, now from the thing where Fulani they do, now they don't want to turn the thing to the religion. And religion thing, when it begin happen, nobody is safe, and the thing no go finish quick, as the case may be. So what I go talk about my brother and colleague in Plateau is that I will continue, make they pray for them, make God help, make them resolve that matter.